CruiseByMandy here. We are in the Chilean Fjords today. It is Saturday, March 2nd. Happy birthday, Texas, first of all. Chile has a very similar flag to the Texas flag. We were in Punta Arenas yesterday. We are headed to a couple more tender ports as we work our way up the coast, but today we are in the Chilean Fjords. We're about to view some glaciers. Usually when the cruise ship gets to the glaciers, we do a 360 so that everybody on both sides of the ship get a great view. One side of the ship is usually warmer than the other because of the way the wind flows. So just a quick glance around here to see what it looks like here on deck 16 aft of the Royal Princess as we are headed into that area. So I'm going to switch the camera around so I can show just a little bit better here. Let's see. Okay, looking out the aft here, we have made the turn to move more into the fjords. We had to go out and around through the Strait of Magellan. We were out and around a little bit more into rocky waters. We had to make up some time so we didn't miss some of the scenic viewing. That this is very comparable to what you would see in the Alaska Inside Passage. We've seen lots of waterfalls. It's beautiful weather today. There has been some spots of rain here and there. We passed a fishing boat earlier that was super small and very far away from home, no matter where home is for them. We're going over this way. This is the side nobody is on because it's not the side that can view the glacier just yet. We're just taking a quick peek of what's coming up. Zoom in. Let's see if this will zoom. We are seeing the waterfalls. We see things coming up. But that is not the one that we are headed to. I am seeing ice drifts, ice flow coming up in that direction. It's not whitecaps because we're so slow at this point, or the whitecaps of going, winds. Luckily, it's not any of that. I will walk along here. Once I get to the other side, there'll be a lot of people. We can see the top of the glacier from here. An idea, if you are looking at booking an aft balcony, one of the things I research a lot for my clients is which balconies have more coverage and shelter so nobody can peek down on you. But nobody ever does anything naughty out on the balcony anyway, so we don't have to worry about that. But if you were wanting to be sheltered from the weather, sometimes the covering is a good thing to have. Okay, heading over here.
We'll try this.
Let's take a peek on this side. Oh, I see it, okay. So this is a good scene of what you can see on deck here on board the Royal Princess. Let's go up here. I think I can squeeze in up here. Okay, so looking straight ahead, we'll see the blue. No, can't see right there. I was over here earlier and walked away from my spot. I can't ever stand still anyway. Okay, so we'll look right here. No, we've turned some more so you can't see. Hopefully it's better than the glaciers we saw the other day. Voila. And if you need hot chocolate, we do have chocolate there. Go over there real quick. I'll be there just a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the smoking area. Much better chance to see things up here. I am not a smoker, and smoke usually irritates me with the smell, so I usually don't sit around in that area. Now up on 18 on the sports court, same area that we've had. Beautiful view. Here we go. Zooming in. That's the glacier we are headed to. Once we get there, we'll do a 360. but that at least gives an idea. You can see how the ship juts out down there. That's 16. Down there will be deck 7. Anyway, the glacier, I've always called it Amalia. It's probably not the right name. I think they call it Emily. So Amalia. So that's what we're looking at up there. And then you see more towards the right as well. Let me zoom one more time here. Again, Chilean Fjords on board the Royal Princess. This is the Buenos Aires to Santiago. Normally a 14-night cruise. I have people boarding a cruise right now in Buenos Aires on Norwegian Sun, basically following the same route that I've been doing. I've got several cabins there. If you've already done Alaska and you're wanting something next on your list to go visit, this would be it. It's been phenomenal. Cruise by Mandy signing off for now from the Chilean Fjords on board Royal Princess.